Valve's Steam Deck mobile gaming PC has been a big success since its release in early 2022. Its powerful specifications, comfy design, and ability to play PC games on the go have helped it become a popular pick. Valve has now revealed an improved OLED iteration of the Steam Deck, complete with an OLED display and other enhancements. Is it, however, worthwhile to upgrade if you already own the original Steam Deck? Let's have a look at what the OLED model has to offer. Aside from the display update, the OLED Steam Deck's fundamental design and controls remain the same as the original. It maintains the same comfortable ergonomic layout that makes the Steam Deck great to hold for extended gaming sessions. Valve did slim down the weight slightly, with the OLED model coming in at 640 grams compared to the 669 grams on the LCD version. The weight reduction is minor, but still makes the new Steam Deck a little lighter and easier to handle. For a limited time, Valve is offering an exclusive Steam Deck smoky translucent colorway only available with the OLED model. This special color variant gives the Phantom Black Steam Deck a cool translucent look and feel. It definitively makes the OLED Steam Deck stand out from its predecessor. The most notable change on the Steam Deck OLED is the display. It uses a 7.4 inches diagonal OLED panel compared to the 7 inches LCD on the original. The 1280x800 resolution is the same, but the OLED display adds HDR support and a wider color gamut for more vivid visuals. OLED also provides higher contrast for truer blacks and reduced motion blur, thanks to its faster pixel response time. Valve says the OLED Steam Deck's peak brightness reaches 1000 nits, a significant upgrade over the LCD model's 400 nits max brightness. This results in improved visibility in bright lighting conditions. The touchscreen and polling rate has also been increased to 180 Hz, enabling lower latency and better accuracy for stylus input. Overall, the OLED panel is a worthwhile upgrade for the Steam Deck. Games and media should look more vibrant and play smoothly thanks to OLED's strengths. Now, Valve has upgraded certain components under the hood to improve performance. The OLED Steam Deck features LPDDR5 RAM clocked at 64 Omega transfer per second, an improvement over the original model's 55 Omega transfer per second memory. The faster memory speed leads to better bandwidth for improved gaming performance. The OLED version also bumps up the display's refresh rate to 90 Hz, compared to 60 Hz on the LCD Steam Deck. This results in smoother motion clarity and responsiveness while gaming or scrolling through menus. Valve says it has optimized the 6nm AMD APU at the heart of the OLED Steam Deck to hit higher clock speeds than the 7nm APU in the original. Combined with the faster LPDDR5 RAM, the refreshed APU should provide better frame rates in games. Connectivity is improved as well. The OLED model comes with Wi-Fi 6E support versus Wi-Fi 5 on the previous Steam Deck. This enables higher wireless throughput and lower latency when connected to a Wi-Fi 6E router. Overall, the performance upgrades may not be massive leaps but are meaningful improvements that enhance the gaming experience. The new OLED Steam Deck has a 50 Wh battery, which is slightly larger than the LCD model's 40 Wh battery. Valve estimates 3 minutes 12 hours of gameplay on the OLED model depending on game intensity. The increased battery capacity combined with the more efficient OLED display results in improved battery life. Of course, playing demanding AAA games will drain the battery quicker than lighter indie titles. But on average, users should get a bit more playtime out of the new OLED Steam Deck before needing to recharge. The OLED Steam Deck comes with a 45-watt USB-C PD 3.0 power adapter and a 2.5-meter cable, an upgrade over the 1.5-meter cable included with the original model. A longer cable makes using the Steam Deck while charging easier. While the OLED model just launched, Valve may already have plans down the pipeline for a true next-gen Steam Deck 2. When the original Steam Deck was revealed, Valve described it as the first in a new product line that would see iterative improvements over time. This strongly suggests successors are in development. Though Valve has shared no official timeline, speculation based on typical consumer electronics life cycles points to a Steam Deck 2 possibly arriving sometime between 2024 to 2025. This would allow a 2–3 year gap between generations. What could a Steam Deck 2 look like? Based on the rapid pace of advancements in mobile computing, we can expect even more powerful and efficient chips unlocking better performance. AMD's next-gen mobile APUs built on the 5nm Zen 4 architecture could enable a big leap over the Steam Deck's Zen 2-based Aerith APU. The rumored Navi 3 RDNA 3 graphics are also a potential upgrade path. OLED is likely to remain as it provides many advantages for a handheld display. However, Valve may opt for a higher resolution panel, with rumors pointing to 1600p or even 4K. A variable refresh rate display could also smooth out gameplay further. For controls, Valve could retain the core design but add new options like haptic feedback in the grips and triggers. This would increase immersion in supported titles. More advanced vibration could also enhance haptics. In terms of design, weight reduction and comfort will be important. Expect further enhancements to ergonomics and balance. Valve may also add new color options. Of course, full backward compatibility with all existing Steam Deck titles and accessories will be critical. But the Steam Deck 2 could usher in a new generation of handheld PC gaming powered by next-gen hardware. With the Steam Deck proving very successful, Valve has plenty of motivation to keep innovating with superior successors. We may get a first glimpse of what the future holds as soon as 2024. The OLED Steam Deck maintains the same pricing as the original. The 64GB MMC storage option is no longer available, so the lineup starts at $399 for the 256GB NVMe SSD for the LCD model. Stepping up to the OLED model, a faster 512GB NVMe SSD raises the price to $549, while the high-end 1TB option costs $649. Given the improved display, faster memory and refresh rate, and design tweaks, the OLED Steam Deck delivers good value at these price points. Existing owners may have a tougher decision determining if upgrading is worthwhile for them. But for new buyers, the OLED Steam Deck likely justifies its pricing through the enhancements it brings. The Steam Deck OLED takes what was already great about the original Steam Deck and makes it even better. The OLED display is the star of the show here, providing fantastic contrast and colors for a truly premium, portable gaming experience. Performance gets a boost from faster RAM, refreshed APU, and 90Hz refresh rate support as well. Considering there's no price hike, the OLED model looks like a win all around. Upgrading from the LCD Steam Deck may come down to personal preference and budget, but new buyers have an easy choice between the two versions. The OLED Steam Deck, which costs only $50 more than the base model, provides significant enhancements that make it the finest choice for portable PC gaming right now.